So the next team is Camina Maps. From Taiwan, really?
From Taiwan.
Okay.
Believe me, he's from Taiwan. Good afternoon. My name is Oscar and we are Camina Maps. Now, what we do is very simple. We provide interactive maps to help businesses engage with their customers. And the key word here is interactive. Let me give you an example. When you go to a shopping mall, there's shopping malls everywhere and hundreds of people visit them every day. But these places are huge. So we spend a lot of time trying to find the things that we're looking for. Most of the time, we end up buying something that is not the best choice. And very often, we just give up. These are some common solutions to help us. But for many reasons, this is just not solving the problem. Now, let's picture a different scenario. You go to a shopping mall and you see signs like this offering to help you. You take your mobile phone, you scan the QR code, and right away you get a screen like this. You type in the product that you're looking for and we list you all the shops that have this product. And on the right side, we provide you advertisement that is actually relevant to what you're looking for. Once you make up your mind, we give you step-by-step instructions to get to that store. Now, apply the same idea to exhibition centers, supermarkets, theme parks, universities, airports, hospitals, hotels, museums. The market is huge. Only in this country, we have 55 shopping malls, 80 exhibition centers, and 21 theme parks. Asian market, in particular, is a great opportunity considering there's 20 of the 30 world biggest shopping malls in the world. This is our business model. We have the people visiting the venue, we have the owners of the venue, and we have the individual shops who operate in this place. By using our service, individual visitors get to save time, learn about discounts and offers, and they get a better experience during their visit. This service is free for them, but they give their attention to the advertisement while using our service. For the venue operators, they get to increase their customer satisfaction, they obtain insights on customers' behavior, and they get a share from the revenue coming from the ads. And in exchange, they pay a service fee to us. The individual shop owners, they get an effective channel or target advertisement, which in turn will increase their sales. And they only need to pay a small fee per click on the ads, which will in turn be divided between the venue operator and us. So, let's talk about our competitors. There's plenty of companies working on indoor mapping. So what is it that makes us unique? They help you find places. We help you find products, places, and information relevant for you. They sell maps. We sell a better customer experience. Now, it's interesting to notice that this sounds very useful, but chances are you've never been in a place offering this service. So why is that? Well, we have seen that right now the balance between cost and benefit is just not attractive enough. Now we turn these weaknesses into our strength. We intend to enter the market by establishing strategic partnership with an incubation center, and we have already attended relevant events in order to start building relationship with potential customers and investors. And we got our first funding from a top university in this country. Within 6 months, we're going to complete our development process and we're going to map the entire campus of this university, making our service available for more than 10,000 users used in the first location. And with this, we'll complete our proof of concept. Within 1 year, we'll start our commercial operation in shopping malls and exhibition centers. And within 3 years, we'll expand our operations in the local market and we will prepare for international expansion in the Asian market. This is our team. We come from Taipei, India, and Guatemala. All together, we are fluent in 5 languages. We have more than 10 years experience developing software. We have marketing experience from working at the world's biggest PR company, and we have business experience by managing projects at a top e-learning company in this country. Right now, we're raising to cover our expenses for human resource, operation, and marketing costs for the next 3 years. In just 1 year, we developed our first prototype, we get our initial funding. We won 2 international competitions and expand our team. We established a relationship with an incubation center, and we're close to finish our product in just 1 year. We understand that innovation is a race, and we're running very fast. But with your help, we're going to be able to run even faster. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Yes, please.
How can you make sure that you're always up to date with the information?
Because we're collaborating directly with the venue operators, so it's in their best interest to keep all this information up to date. So it's a constant collaboration with them.
For the indoor scanning and navigation, do you use an own technology or how do you do this?
We're trying to reduce the cost by not altering the existing infrastructure. So what we use is the motion sensor on the mobile device and the pre-existing Wi-Fi or wireless signatures in the place.
Well, in the example you took about searching product in Sogo, right?
Yes.
Department store, but the operator doesn't know the product.
The operator doesn't know the product, but individual shops know. And it's on their best interest to have the products available on our maps so that they can attract more customers.
So the shop owner have to enter all the product items into your database?
It doesn't have to be all the product, it just has to be the category of the products. For example, sport shoes. So you don't need to input all the sport shoes, right? Just the categories.
Okay, got you.
So for how long to make a first version? I mean, to make, like you say, you got a campus that guiding system. So take how long to make that show up?
Okay, first let me explain you that this idea was born as a navigation system for blind people. So with this in mind, first we focus our efforts on the core algorithm to the navigation. But now we turn this into a commercial application. So just now, we already have the core technology and we're developing the interface that is going to suit this purpose. So within less than 6 months, we'll have the product ready.
Less than 6 months. So if you want to do 20 sites, which means 1,200.
Say it again, please.
I mean, if you took 6 months to complete one project, so how many?
We're going to take less than 6 months to develop our product. The process of creating the maps and implementing our service is going to be even faster than the existing market, because one special feature about our product is the way that we create maps. The way that we create maps is we have a mobile application and we use the motion sensors on your device. So you only need to walk through the place and add the points of interest. And then you have a web editor where you finalize to personalize this map for your own needs.
Okay, may I ask please, what is the cost to the vendor, the individual store, and what is the cost, an example of a shopping center to the center?
Okay, because we want to adjust to different budgets, so we have made 2 types of packages, Express and Premium. For the Express packages, it will be a membership of $700 US per month, and for a Premium, it will be $1,000 US per month.
To the shopping center?
To the shopping center.
What about the store?
The stores, this will have to be an internal negotiation, but we can distribute this cost within the individual shops, or we still can recover from the ad revenue.
At those rates, what are your margins?
Our margins, we expect that our revenue, sorry.
I don't know if this one is working. We calculate that these 2 packages that Oscar mentioned, the Express package basically is only a license, and the partner, in this case the venue operator, has to run all the implementation costs. The margin on that one is close to 90% because we only have to amortize the cost of developing the technology. In the other one, that it's the complete package, we think that it's going to be around like 75 to 80% margin.
Great, that was it. Tough questions, judges. Thank you for that.
Thank you very much.
Focused answers.